Who created Woody Woodpecker? C. Walter Lantz. What is the catchphrase often used by Woody Woodpecker? C. Ha 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 hoo hoo. What is the name of Woody Woodpecker's girlfriend? B. Winnie. Which year was the first appearance of Woody Woodpecker? A. 1940. Where is Woody Woodpecker's trademark red tuft of feathers located? A. On his head. What is the name of Woody Woodpecker's arch enemy? C. Buzz Buzzard. In which famous Hollywood landmark did Woody Woodpecker make an appearance? B. Hollywood sign. What type of bird is Woody Woodpecker? C. Pileated woodpecker. Who provided the iconic voice for Woody Woodpecker? A. Mel Blanc. What color is Woody Woodpecker's beak? A. Yellow.